Okay, guys, so welcome back to this part of this class. Now, today I want to show you how you can fund your account using your local bank account. Either you are funding for foreign trade, you must use dollar, or you are funding for local trading, you must use naira account. So whichever account that you have, you can fund your account directly, and then you go ahead to buy stocks. So first thing first, I want to fund this account. If you come to my portfolio, you can see I already have a few naira into this account which have been used to fund it. Now I want to, if you come to our balances, you can see the only balance here is 153 naira 52 kobo. Do not fund your fixed income portfolio. Fixed income portfolio is just like you are making the savings. You cannot use the funds in your fixed income portfolio to buy any stock. Yes, you make sure you fund your naira portfolio in an account. That is what you do. So how do I fund my account? How do you fund this account? You go ahead and click on the local account, that is naira portfolio. Click on it. Because I want to fund it, you go ahead and say fund account. Okay, do you want to make a bank transfer? Do you want to make a naira debit card funding, or Jumia Pay? Yeah, Jumia have the pay, that card that you can use to pay. You want to use Bata, that is Flutterwave, or you want to use Pagano. So for me, this particular, I want to do a fund transfer from my phone, from my mobile. And so I'll click on this and then go, how much do I want to fund this account? How much do I want to fund this account? Okay, let me just say I want to, for the sake of this training, I want to fund it with, let me see, 20,000. Of course, they will add charges to it. By the time they add charges, you'll see what is going to be left. So I'll say continue. Boom. So this is the charges for funding 20,000. You're going to pay 210 naira 51 kobo for the charges. You see, Trove is a very unique platform. It's a very unique online platform that we use to do trading, the local trading and the foreign trading, even though the charges, sometimes the processing fees are a bit higher, but look at it, it's not too much. So I'll go ahead and say yes, deposit. Okay, good. So how much am I paying? I'm going to be paying 20,201 naira 51 kobo. So I'll click on it. That will generate an account for me. Then I will log in into my mobile bank account. And good. So this particular account, which is Wema Bank, is unique and it is specially made for me. So I will use it to do this transaction. And once I pay into this particular account, the money will reflect into my Trove stock account. So I'll just go ahead and do the transfer into this account. 9465 369 769. Let me confirm it. 9465 369769. Okay, that is Wema. I'm using my mobile account to do this transaction. Okay, good. So I will fund 20,000 Okay, I have made the transfer, so to take a few moments to reflect into this account, so I would say I have made this bank transfer. Payment mode, confirmed, payment confirmation. So it could take a few minutes, a few moments to confirm this payment, like 3 minutes. Because you know you are paying from your local mobile bank account to this, so it will take a few minutes. Okay, I'll receive the alert, debit alert from my mobile phone. Okay. Okay, so while that is loading, I will just go ahead and do a few things. Okay, in case it shows you this transaction status, that payments are currently slow at your bank. Slow payments are usually confirmed within 30 minutes. You will get a receipt once your payment is confirmed. Don't be scared. Everything is in line and everything is going smoothly. So you just go ahead and close this place. Your transaction has been made. Transaction cancelled. Forget it. It doesn't mean if transaction is cancelled. You can refresh your page, or you wait 30 minutes time. You come back to this your account. The money must have been reflected. So let me just take a few minutes and then be patient, so that this transaction will be confirmed. And once it's confirmed, we'll now go ahead and make the investment by purchasing stocks, and then we go ahead and check most of the potential stocks to buy. So be patient, guys. Okay, so let me try and refresh if these funds have been dropped. Boom, you can see the money has been dropped into the Naira portfolio account, that is cash. So now the next thing you can then do is to buy stocks. So how do you buy stocks? You go ahead and check. Let me go to you can go to your watch list if you have added some stocks. If you haven't, you can as well scroll down and see more other stocks on the platform. Let me go to browser assets. You see Nigerian stocks. You can be able to see a lot of Nigerian stocks. This is where the game changer comes in. This is where we take our time to analyze and give you the signals of the potential stocks you can go and put your money. It's not about the cheapest or the most expensive stocks. It's about knowing, understanding the indices and indicators that will determine that a particular stock is going to rise within the space of time, or that a particular stock is going to drop within the space of time. And how do we determine all this? All these are what I have put together in the advanced class, where you will register for it, because I have monthly registration. You know, stock is not something of just only one day. We guide you within the space of time, weekly, daily, and even monthly, that will determine the number of stocks that is going to rise within the space of time. So I will advise you, as you are enjoying this particular free class, register for that paid monthly subscription. It's just a subscription, a very small token, monthly subscription, so that once you buy your stock, of course, you can leave it within the space. I will always be feeding you with feedback knowledge about what the stock is going to be. So you can see these are stocks. The stock for local stock is already closed. Nigerian stock is going to open. It is always open within the working week, Monday to Friday, and it has time. Sometimes 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sometimes it extends from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. as the case may be. Every day you must get a notification, notification about the stock, when it's going to open, when it's open, when trading is going on. But the foreign stock is also the same thing. Time with the foreign stocks are quite different, American time and that of the Nigerian time. So scroll down and begin to see a lot of stocks. You can see most of all these ones are just static, and some of them are also growing. So there are stocks. Let me just take a look at a few stocks that will invest this particular one here. You see how we buy stocks. We'll go to Konoyi. Is actually dropping. It's dropping. Konoyi got to 112 naira in July. So for those who invested in Konoyi as at June, Konoyi was trading at 46 naira and thereabout. In July, within the space of few weeks, boom, Konoyi rose to 112 naira. Imagine the gap of the interest or the benefit that a lot of persons made from them. Computer Warehouse Group, they are also growing, but I want to buy. Let me go ahead and buy. Let me check my watch list. I listed some stocks there. You have Access Bank, you have Boa Cement, you have Transcorp, you have Transcorp Hotels, Transcorp Corporation, and then GT. You have Netflix, you have Zenith. Let me check Zenith. Let me check what Zenith is doing at the moment. Zenith. Okay, Zenith Bank is trading at 32 naira per stock. 32 naira per stock. Let me check their growth. Let me check their growth. Okay, Zenith is actually dropping. When stocks are dropping, for those of us who are stock investors, for very wise stock investors, when stocks are dropping, that is when you buy, because you are buying cheap. You're buying at a cheaper rate. So within the space of time, you will see it booming up. You see it booming up. Just this same September 8th, yes, Zenith was already you can see the market as it's growing. So at this moment you can buy because it's actually trying to rise up. Yes, it's actually trying to rise, and businesses are already thriving. The policies of the country is also supporting businesses to grow. So that is why you need a very good government. When you notice a very good government in place, that is when you also determine the kind of business you want to invest in. Stock is one of them, because the government policies also affect stock market, the business itself. The investment of the companies into the business or into the company also determine how stocks rises and how stock falls down. So Zenith Bank is actually doing well. Recently, Zenith Bank has been rated over trillion naira company. They are no longer just a billionaire. They are trillion naira company. GT Bank, I think Access Bank, First Bank, Zenith Bank. There are a few banks that have been rated currently as trillion. In fact, these companies can no longer suffer so long, even if they are falling down. Within the couple of days or weeks, see them moving up. So I want to buy this Zenith Bank. I want to buy Zenith. So how many do I want to buy from Zenith? Let me see if I can buy 500. No, 500 is too much. I want to buy, because I want to share it. Let me buy 200. Yes, boom. I'll buy 200 shares from Zenith Bank. and then I'll place the order. You can see Zenith Bank, they're going to charge me. How much are they charging me? They're charging me 154 naira 52 kobo. So go ahead, let me buy. Okay, good. I have just placed order for Zenith. So I'll go back again. I want to check. Let me check Transcorp. Let me check Transcorp. Personally, I have stocks with Transcorp. Okay. They have Transcorp Hotels and the Transcorp Corporation. So you can buy Transcorp Hotel is also high, but I want to buy the corporation that is controlling the power generation. Yes, Transcorp company generating light for us. So I'll go ahead. How many do I want to buy? Let me see if I can buy 600. No, let me buy 1000. Okay, let me extend it to, can I buy 2000? Yes, I can buy 2000. Good. So I want to spend this money on here. Later I will also try and buy more older ones, but I'm buying these at this rate. Okay. Let me go ahead and buy this particular one. So what is the charges? 293 naira 1 kobo. 1 kobo, that is the charges, and I'm buying 2000 shares at 6 naira 15 kobo. So I'll place this order. Good. I've just placed my order right now. So I will allow this, because this is going to wait till this. I'm just doing this video today, Saturday, which is 7th of October. So by Monday, when the market is going to open, this my purchase is going to reflect on my account. So if I go to my portfolio now, you see everything has been affected, and I'll have only how much balance? 2,808 naira 4 kobo. So let me check my balance. I have 1,005 naira. So if you come to order history, you see the orders that I've just made. These are pending. Transcorp Hidden is pending. I purchased this. Zenith is also pending till the market is back to normal. So guys, so this is how you can fund your account and also buy stocks. So after buying the stocks, how do you now know when the stock is progressing or when the stock is depreciating? And how do you know the potential stocks to buy? Because when you come to the market, of course, you are just a novice. Everything will just look new or somehow blurred to you. You don't know anything that is going on. You don't know what to do. It's just like this. You have the made in China stocks, you have the dividend stocks, you have the remote. Buy their shares so that as the company is growing, you are growing like Dangote, like Bua Cement, like Transcorp, like GT Bank, First Bank, Zenith Bank. These are companies. Instead of you to save your money in Zenith Bank, why not use that same money to buy their shares? Because your money is just stagnant. I saved over 2 million in one of the Nigerian banks, and they were giving me less than 10,000 naira interest on monthly basis. That is madness. Imagine I have that 2 million naira and I use it to buy stocks. If that company grows in their stock just 1 naira, I don't need much. If they appreciate 1 naira, I have made over 200k with that same amount that I'm supposed to save with them and only make 10k. I use it to buy their shares, and they grow in just 1 naira. Just 1 naira. I don't need much. I'm not a selfish guy. I'm not a selfish trader. Just 1 naira. With my 2 million, I'm going to make over 200,000 in just few weeks. In less than that 1 month that I put my money in the account. So these are what I'm going to be showing you. So feel free, make sure you watch the next video. In that next video, I'm going to show you the indices, the indicators, the signal, how they work. So follow me and remain with me. So don't forget also, if you are following me for the first time, my page, the best thing you can do for me is to try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and also share. You can also click on the notification button so that anytime I'm dropping, financial videos like this, you will also be notified and follow up and make money. The essence of this thing I'm doing is for you to make money and do not complain. Instead of complaining, you only focus on your money working for you as you go.